Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings and let's tap on the apps and notifications, which are on the third position. Now we have to tap on special app access, and here let's find the install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. In order to allow the app to install something, for example, the Gmail, just tap on it and tap on the switcher right here. And as you can see right now, it is active, and after getting back you can check it also on this list. Be aware that you are doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, and you may put your data and actually device to the risk. So again, this is your own responsibility. So of course it will work the same with all other apps which are listed right here, and you can turn off all of those permissions whenever you want to. All you have to do is simply tap on it and tap on the switcher again, and we can turn it off also for the Chrome and the Epic Games. And as you can see right now, not any of those apps are allowed to install anything. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.